Team time activity. Let's make finger puppets. उंगलियों में इस्तेमाल करने वाला puppets को बनाएं. Draw your favorite bird on a sheet of paper. Cut and color it. आपकी पसंद की पक्षी को एक पेपर में बनाएं और उसी को कट दे और रंग भर दे. Take a strip of cloth or paper. पेपर का नहीं तो कपड़े का एक स्ट्रिप को ले लीजिए. Paste the picture of bird you have drawn on it. और आपने जिस पक्षी को चित्र बनाया है उसे चिपकाए. Tie the two ends of the strip. Fix it on your fingers. Your finger puppet is ready. Let your puppet fly along with your friends' puppets. Now let's write. Listen to the sounds of the birds. Make a list of these words. पक्षियों की आवाज सुने और इस शब्दों की एक लिस्ट बनाएं. For example, chirp, chirp, chirp. Here is the examples given. Again, you write it in your textbook. Titter, titter, titter. Next one. Coo, coo, coo. Now write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. नीचे दिया हुआ शब्दों को इस्तेमाल करके 4 वाक्य लिखें. Birds, nest, water, chirp, fly, sky and wings. The 4 sentences are given here. Birds live in their nests. Number 2, they drink water whenever they feel thirsty. They chirp early in the morning. Using their wings, they can fly in the sky. Write words that rhyme with the words given below. नीचे दिया हुआ शब्दों को जोड़ने वाले शब्दों को लिखें. The first one has been done for you. पहले आपके लिए एक बनाया गया है. Grow, know and throw. Other words are given here for you. Day, bay and say. Next, think, blink, sink. Another, funny, bunny, sunny. Eat, meet and eat. Sing, ting and king. Now say these words along with me. Say loudly. Think. This. 10. tin, that, to, 3, do, tank. I hope that all you enjoyed this lesson. So do the exercise in your textbook.